is a fan's car. Look! Did you see it? This car can't start no matter how hard I try. Do you know the reason? Let's go to the front. The car owner just called a mechanic at the repair shop. The mechanic said his engine was broken, needs major repairs. The fee is $5,000. I laughed after hearing this. Stop him quickly. I said because you are my fan. Give me your car. I'll solve it for you for free. Let's take a look today. The car can't start. Generally, there are 3 reasons: oil circuit, electric circuit, and gas circuit. Let's go from simple to complex. First, check if the oil rod is oiled. Come here. Let's find this oil pipe first. First, unplug this connector. Okay, next we find a bottle for it to catch. Now I ask the car owner to start it inside. See if this sprays oil or not. Help me start the car. Look! There is oil flowing out of it. There is no problem with the oil line. Next, let's take a look at the circuit. Put the tube back in. Okay. Disconnect the ignition coil connector. Okay. Loosen this screw. Take out the ignition coil. Remove the spark plug with a tool. Look! This is the spark plug. We install the spark plug to the ignition coil. Connect this ignition coil connector to it. Now let the car owner help me start the car. See if the spark plug is energizing. Help me start the car. Okay, it has electricity. There is oil and electricity. The car won't start. Now the only problem left is the air path. Speaking of air passages, I thought of a part. Come here. Look. That's it. It's called the EGR valve, also called exhaust gas recirculation valve. I suspect it's malfunctioning. Let's take it apart and take a look. Unplug this plug first. Let's find a tool. Loosen the screws on it. Oh my god, the cause of the problem was found. Look, it's all carbon deposits. So dirty. No wonder it can't be started. Next, let's clean it. Find a bottle of detergent. Start cleaning it. Oh my god, so dirty. Clean this space as well. Okay, it's been cleaned now. Next, we will install it back. Okay, now I'll start the car. See if the car can start. If successful, friends, please give me a like. If you still follow me, have any car questions, you can come and ask me. Start the car. Look, 1 success. Try again. Success again. Let's go to the front. Is also very strong. The problem has been completely solved. How about it? Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn some car knowledge every day.